Welcome to Fairfield. Let's go on a Bulldog's journey.
Let's take a look in the office.
Thank you for your interest in Fairfield Elementary Magnet. My name is Ron Morris and I'm the campus principal. This video will provide an overview about what makes our campus special. Additionally, it includes images of students before COVID and during the COVID crisis. As you learn more about Fairfield Elementary, look for evidence highlighting our vision to become the premier elementary school in Caddo Parish. And look for evidence of our 3 goals, which include increasing academic achievement, improving school pride and spirit, and broadening parent and community involvement. Spaces are limited, so make sure you mark Fairfield as your first choice. I hope to see each of you for the new school year in August.
Hi, I'm Michelle Frazier, and I'm the instructional coordinator here at Fairfield Elementary Magnet. A few of our unique attributes are: we have after-school clubs for everyone beginning with kindergarten. We have the largest talented arts program in Caddo Parish, including visual, theater, and music. We have a STEM lab, which offers hands-on experiments for all of our students. Yearly, we have music productions for every grade. All of our students learn Spanish and French. For more information on Fairfield's Points of Pride, visit our website at fairfieldmagnet.org.
My name is John Ferguson, and I'm the counselor at Fairfield Magnet School. I'm going to talk to you about how to register for the magnet test. Visit the Caddo website at www.caddoschools.org. Hover over the Schools tab. Select Magnet on the drop-down menu. Now click the Elementary Magnet Application link. I encourage you to sign up before Christmas as an easy way to remember. You will receive a confirmation email with further instructions within 48 hours. Make sure to use an email address that you check often and periodically check your spam folder. Sometimes the filters get a little overzealous. All elementary school magnet tests will be administered at Judson. Remember to select Fairfield first as your school choice. You will love it here.
I'm Amy Williams, the Global Studies Coordinator here at Fairfield. The goal of the Global Studies program here at Fairfield is to teach our students inclusivity through the study of cultures and countries around the world. We want all of our students to realize we are all more alike than we are different.
first day of kindergarten. Spanish. French. Learning centers. Special days. More learning centers. Recess. Celebrations. We can even go to the STEM lab.
To see more of what makes Fairfield so great, visit our website at fairfieldmagnet.org. Choose the Parent tab at the top. Then click Prospective Students. Then click on the links to see additional videos.
Maverick and I hope you've enjoyed your Bulldogs journey, and we hope to see you in August.
I hope you've enjoyed your Bulldog journey.
Bye!